Hello, guys. Hello. Welcome. Today's day 6/17, I think. Yeah, 17. And you are invested those $5. Sometimes it's like hard because $5 is nothing. $5 is almost nothing, but it's better than nothing. And as you can see here, we already in the last 3 months in profit. We have a 4.6%. I think it's a nice profit. We are growing, we are not losing money. It's nice. Let's see our stocks. Oh, maybe this is down. No, I'm still making $3.69 on this stock in here. I believe, I told you yesterday, I believe it is only for the dividend, because it's going high. Oh, look at the peak in here. People start to buy in here, and it has a jump. For the last 3 months, no, it's growing from the last 3 months, but was $8. Maybe soon we go back to 8. Let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe 11. I don't know. Let's keep investing on them. So let's buy. First, we need to put the money in there. Or transfer. Transfer money. Okay. Let's put capital 1 to my broker. $5. Okay, now we transfer $5 for Robinhood. This app is the Robinhood app. I like to use that. I have a Webull, but I am using more this one. Okay, now let's buy $5 more in here. We're gonna increase our average cost. We have a 90.44 shares. We have an average cost of 10.10, and we have a $99.11 there. Now we're gonna put $5. We bought more $5. And maybe we're gonna buy 0.47 because it's going high, and our average cost still the same. Let's see if we're gonna change it later. Okay, now we have almost 10 shares. We're gonna have soon almost 10 shares of AGNC. I'm not sure if we're gonna build 100 shares of that one or 50 shares. I'm thinking what we're gonna do. Or we're gonna find more stock. We need to start to invest in crypto to take some money out. Let's see, maybe I want to start to make some trades. I will stop and think it, because it's cheap, and then we can make some trade. You wanna is high and remove some profit. Like now, 30 cents. 30 cents. I will not do trade for 30 cents, but soon it can go a little high and you can take $1, $2, $3, $4 just to have that taste how to trade, to be a trader. But I will not invest too much money on that because the thing here is not losing money. It's grow a portfolio, grow all the small money we are putting there. Like now we have we have $150 and we need to grow because we need to make our money work for us, guys. We need to find a way. And the other thing is $5 will not make us hit. It's nice to have that discipline to invest, but it will not make us hit. What is gonna make us hit is work more and save, have more money to invest, so the money we're gonna multiply and find another job. I'm doing delivery right now. I started my career as software engineer before moving to US. I'm Brazilian, and then I moved to US and I stopped for legal issue. And now I'm thinking is like I need to have a high payment job, something that's paying me more. Delivery is not paying me enough, and I'm thinking to go back to the field and start to work again as software engineer, so we can make more money work for us. Then we can start to play and start to put it like 10,000 in 2, 3, 4 months. Put it 10,000, and this 10,000 can give us $100. And then we work more 2, 3 more. I don't know, guys. I'm in this time in my life, I really want to go back to start investing and make more money, because all work or side hustle can give us more money than we're gonna invest. Then we're gonna invest. So if you use that power, obvious, not use all, but at least half you increase. Today we make 1,000 a week, and tomorrow make 2,000 a week. Take 500 a week to invest, and the other 500 to enjoy with the family, because we can't let's only save and not enjoy the life. We need to enjoy life. Now we can't wait for you're gonna enjoy when you be old. No, we need to have a balance. See you on the next video, guys.